What is going on, everybody? This is SW Motorsports, and on today's video we're going to show you the ultimate gift for a car guy or gal. Alrighty guys, so we're actually going to show you the ultimate car gift to give your car guy, gal, friend, etc. everybody who is into vehicles. So what you gotta do is get a Hot Wheel version of their car. So for this example, we got a Hot Wheel version of mine. As I'm sure a lot of people know, there is the 2TB SDI Hot Wheel that came out. So with this Hot Wheel, what you're gonna do is turn it into a key for their car. Because I guarantee you're gonna be like, whoa, that's interesting, because nobody really does that. So we're gonna show you guys how to do that right now.
All that works with older cars.
Well, yeah, because like you have like the keyless entry, but you know, it's the thought that counts. Anyway, so here we go. Alright, all bits and pieces removed. That way we can put the key in. Alrighty, so you're going to get some super glue. That way you can put everything together. If we can open it. There we go. So next, what you're gonna do is grab your little clicky clips there and get ready to take out that, what is that, a pin?
Rivet.
Take out that rivet. We recommend doing that first before putting the windows back in, as we just found out. Alrighty guys, so once you get that rivet off, see if your key fits, and if you have to maybe cut your spare key, you might have to, maybe too big, even after it falls. So make sure you do this with a spare key and not your actual key. That way if anything happens, you still have your master key to go with it. Make sure you make your mark, that way you know where exactly to cut, and also make sure you do your measurements. Then you're going to take your die grinder and cut the excess key off. Boom, nice. There we go. Just a little bit of wheel play, but you know, it's in there. Actually, it looks really good. Here is the finished product. All the wheels do move and the key sticks out right where the intercooler would be.
While he does that, I'm trying to be sanitary.
Of course, Corona, COVID-19. Look at that, it still rolls. Everything still rolls, so if you do give this somebody a gift, they can play with it still. Which I really doubt.
Most of the time.
Yes, of course, most of the time. So now we're actually gonna see if it works and doesn't break. We gave it a couple days to dry. All right, well, we're gonna give this thing a shot. So I do have my car outside here, and we're gonna unlock the door with it and start the car with it. So here we go. I don't know if I can unlock my, oh, it's not, it wasn't on. I was like, hello. All right, so unlock the car. And now is the moment of truth. Easy. Boom.
Boom.
Boom. That was great.
Race car.
Let us know if you guys are definitely going to do this gift idea in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button over, not him, over there. The subscribe button somewhere over there.
You,
yeah, I think so. And then the bell should be over there as well. Ring the doorbell, we'll let you, no worries.
Yeah, we'll do that.
But yeah, this is a great gift idea. So give it a shot. We'll see you guys next time on Some More Stubby Motorsports. Bye.